Hi guys, my name is Mystic Hermit Cosplay and I am a cosplayer. I enjoy making cosplay related videos. Today I will be showing you guys how I did my makeup for Bloom from Winx Club. This is the makeup I do for her Enchantix form. I was really excited to make this tutorial because cosplaying Bloom, or any Winx Club girl really, has always been a childhood dream of mine, so this is a really exciting moment for me, and I haven't been able to stop smiling the entire time I've been wearing this cosplay. I'm just that happy about it. I just never thought I'd get to really see this dream come true, you know? But, so with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and start the tutorial, and I hope you guys like it. So with my contacts already in, I'm going to start off by applying some primer onto my face to create a smooth canvas for my makeup and make it last longer. Next, I'm going to use a color correcting concealer. I'm going to use yellow on my dark circle area and green onto the redness on my face, and then I'm going to blend all of that out. For my eyebrows, I put on some glue stick on them and then a little bit of concealer, and once that's set, I then fill in the color of my wig onto my eyebrows, or something close to it. Then I clean up the eyebrows a bit with concealer, and I also apply it to any imperfections on my face, especially the dark circles. Then I make sure to apply some foundation all over my face to even out my skin tone, and I blend it all out with a damp beauty blender. Once that's done, I set my foundation with some pressed powder, and this will help prevent any creasing and make the makeup last longer as well. Then I'm prepping my eyelids by applying some eye primer, which will create a smooth base for my eyeshadow and make it last longer. I almost forgot, before moving on to the eyes, I'm adding some contour onto my face to add more dimension to it, and I always make sure to work with the face shape that I already have. Then I take a bright pink blush and I apply just a bit onto my cheeks. And now I'm just going to apply a little bit of a pink highlighter onto the high points of my face to add more of a glow. To start the eyeshadow, I'm going to apply a bright pink eyeshadow onto the crease, and then I'm going to blend all of that out. Next, I'm going to take this pink shade that's the closest to what Bloom wears in her transformation sequence, and I'm going to apply that onto the lids, avoiding the crease. Next, I'm taking some bright pink glitter, and I'm applying that onto my eyelids, once again avoiding the crease area. Then I take a liquid eyeliner and line my eyes and finish it off with a nice wing. Now I'm applying some false eyelashes. That part is optional. I take some glue and then I apply it onto the band of the lash, let it dry for 30 seconds, and then apply it onto the eyelid. After that, I just curl the lashes to make sure they blend in with my natural ones much better.
And now I'm just applying some mascara to finish off the eyes. And now for the final step, just take a nice pink lipstick and apply it, and finish it all off with a setting spray. This part is totally optional, but I also thought I'd give a little more shine to my lips by topping it off with some gloss. I imagined that a Winx fairy would love to wear lip gloss. And there you have it. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. If it helped you with your Bloom cosplay, I would love to see it. Please tag me in it or use the hashtag Mystic Hermit tutorial. That way I can see it. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, I will be sure to see you next time. Goodbye!